Hello and welcome. In this video, we will go over basic features and functions in Citizenserve. To get started with Citizenserve, you will need your username and password and a computer connected to the internet. You'll need to visit www.citizenserve.com, and then once you're on the home page, in the upper right corner of your screen, you will click on Login. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your home page. Your home page is where you'll find any activities assigned to you under My Tasks. These could be code enforcement inspections, re-inspections, different plan review activities, online notifications. In the task list, you'll see the description of the activity that's been assigned to you, either a permit number or a file number for that activity, the address, description of the file, either a status of scheduled or blank, along with a due date for that activity. You'll be able to sort your list by address, task, priority. So these are different ways to look at your information. Any of these blue texts here are links to the file or activity screen, and you can click on those to drill down on the file or complete your activity. Below that, we have My Calendar. This will show any inspections that have been assigned to you for today's date. These could be multifamily, restaurant, these can be building inspections. Again, it's showing you the description of the inspection, a file number or a permit number, address, description, and then the time, of course. Below My Calendar, you'll have metrics. You may or may not see anything, but you can add metrics to your homepage. These are basically visual reports where, in this case, this example, we have code cases with completed inspections for this month. So far only 2, and they've been completed by Joe. So this metric will show different users that have completed inspections for this month. And if you click on it, it will show you the details of those 2 inspections. Below My Metrics, we have recent files. This is just where you've visited in the system and is showing the last 10 files. Below My Recent Files, we have My Links. Links are links to different reports. You can customize which links are shown. Also in here we have a link to change my password and update settings. Changing my password, once you're logged in with that temporary password provided, you'll want to create a new password that's unique and secure for going forward. My Settings will give you options to customize your user account by setting default values and other file options. Please take time to go through here and customize your user setting to what you see fit. We listed descriptions under each setting to help you identify what may be necessary for your user account. And below My Links, we have My Notes, and these are virtual sticky notes. So these are reminders to yourself to complete some activity or follow up with somebody. These are notes to self, not tied to any particular file. Okay, across the top, we have your main navigation bar. We have My Activities, which will allow you to drill down onto your task list or your calendar, so you can view, next week, next month, a particular date. And then also department activities, where you can view other users in your department's activities. So that would be their calendar items and their task items. Create, this is where you would create a new file, either a code enforcement case, permit project, or a business license. So depending on what you want to add or create, you will have these options. Searching. You have 3 main ways to search. You can search for an existing file, such as a permit, business license, code case. If I wanted to search for a contact, I can then search by name or address and find that contact's file and see everything that they're associated to. Similarly, we have search for a property. Searching by a property, you can search by PIN number, address, property owner name, and this will pull up the properties file, and you can then see everything that's associated to that one property. Next, we have reports. Reports will allow you to run types of tables, bar graphs, pie graphs, and we'll take a look at that a little bit later. Support Center, this is something that you'll use when you get stuck, have a question, or need additional items added to Citizenserve. You can read your messages, submit a new request, or open up the Support Center in a separate window. Administration will only be available for users that have that particular access, and then of course we have log off. In the upper right corner of your screen, you will have your quick search. This is a search for file, but allowing you to use either address, permit number, or license number, or you can change your search functions to better suit your needs. So if you'd like to search by parcel number instead of license number, you can do so by selecting parcel number and save, and then it updates your quick search. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching our Getting Started tutorial.